Well, viewers, the top actor of Telugu film industry, Allu Arjun, has been arrested by the Hyderabad police. He was arrested earlier today in connection with the Sandhya Theatre stampede case. You remember that 39-year-old woman lost her life and her son was left critically injured after Allu Arjun and his team arrived at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad. It had caused a stampede-like situation and consequently an FIR had also been registered against Allu Arjun, his entire security team as well as the entire management staff. Let's get you what are the charges against them. They were booked under section 105 of the BNS, which is a punishment for culpable homicide. He also had a message after the incident. Listen in. Okay, all right, let's get you breaking updates coming in. We're learning that Allu Arjun has spoken to his counsel to request the High Court for an urgent hearing. Allu Arjun has approached the High Court for an urgent hearing. He had in fact already filed a plea with the High Court just 2 days earlier. In fact, Allu Arjun had approached the High Court. Shomit is joining us with the details. Shomit, what are the details? Allu Arjun has previously approached the High Court as well, now asking for an urgent hearing in the case.
Well, yes, right now we can clearly see, right now we are reporting from the Chikkarpalli police station. I'll ask my VJ to show some shots here. Huge police bandobast and also even his counsel has arrived here at the police station and he just confirmed as he spoke to us. He said that he will be speaking to Mr. Allu Arjun and after that they will be taking call whether to immediately, because as of now the sources have confirmed us that he has requested his counsel to seek immediate hearing, urgent hearing at the High Court. Day before yesterday, Allu Arjun, his team has approached the High Court. We can also clearly see here huge fans who also gathered here at the police station immediately after the news is out that he has been arrested. He has been taken into the custody by the police and right now this is the situation here at the
ఏసీపీ గారు అందరికి లోపలికి పంపిస్తలేదు. ఒకవేళ లోపలికి వెళ్ళి పంపిస్తే నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నా ఏందనేది. ఇప్పుడు పరోక్షంగా కానీ ప్రత్యక్షంగా కానీ ఒక్క నిమిషం ఏం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు అరవింద్ సార్ గారు నన్ను చదివించి ఇంత అంటే నాకు ప్రతి విషయంలో హెల్ప్ చేశారు. నేను చిరంజీవి బ్లడ్ బ్యాంక్ లో పనిచేసేది. వాళ్ళకి ఇట్లా జరిగిందని చెప్పి నేనే వచ్చాను. సార్ కూడా అంటే ఒకసారి సార్తో మాట్లాడితే ఆయన ఏం చెప్పమంటే ఇప్పుడు వరకైతే ఆయన ఏం చెప్పలేదు. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పలేదు. నేను అట్లా చెప్తే కూడా తప్పు అవుతుంది. లేదు చెప్పలేదు. నో అరెస్ట్ చేయలేదు.
పోలీసులు ఏమంటున్నారు?
మాకు అభిమానం కాబట్టి మేము వచ్చినాము. అరవింద్ సార్ తో ఒకసారి మాట్లాడితే
basically we just spoke to the counsel and he's one of the advocates and basically he's requesting to go inside the police station but the police are not allowing is what he's saying. And on the other hand basically he's also saying that after speaking to Allu Arjun a call will be taken, but on the other hand we're also having information that already he has requested his counsel to seek immediate hearing, urgent hearing at the High Court and whether High Court will be accepting it or not, we will have to wait and see, because day before yesterday he has approached the High Court. He has actually filed a petition requesting the High Court to quash the FIR because we just one of our colleague read out the sections booked against Allu Arjun, his security team and also Sandhya Theatre management and also the person who was the in charge of the security at the Sandhya Theatre. So already owner of the Sandhya Theatre and also the security person, the in charge has been taken into the custody and they were sent to the prison after they were produced at the court. And right now Allu Arjun has been arrested is what the top police sources have confirmed 2 times now. And on the other hand, he is being grilled at the local police station. We can clearly see here the situation. Even fans are coming here, reaching here, and they are saying, even on the other hand, even one of the producers, well-renowned producer from the Tollywood, he also reached here, and mainly the police arresting Allu Arjun, gives clear message that whoever it might be, whoever is responsible for this chaos-like incident, whoever is responsible for this, stampede-like situation at the Sandhya Theatre, he will be not spared. He will be arrested. Is what the message is very much clear. The message is out by the Hyderabad City Police, because initially everyone thought that only Sandhya Theatre owner and also the security in charge, they will be arrested and sent to the prison. But yes, police will not touch Allu Arjun is what the message was. However, now it's very much clear that Allu Arjun has been arrested. He is right now in the Chikarbali police station. The procedure is going on. One side, IO investigative officer is questioning Allu Arjun. On the other hand, his father, his brother, they have also arrived at the local police station, Chikarbali police station in the Hyderabad city. And on the other hand, even the council is waiting outside. So, on the other hand, we have also have the confirmation from the sources that, he has requested his council to approach the High Court, mainly seeking urgent hearing in the petition filed by his council day before yesterday. So, quashing the FIR. So, that is what he has requested the High Court in the petition. Whether that will be admitted, whether that will be heard or not, we have to wait and see. But yes, my bad, he has been arrested by the police. He is inside the police station, and he will also be given a permission to speak to his family, is what we are hearing. On the other hand, even his counsel has also arrived here at the police station, requesting to enter inside the police station. But yes, police are not allowing anyone. We can clearly see here, this is the police station. Police have barricaded the gates and also not allowing this road leads to the Ashok Nagar area, and even the police are not allowing anyone to even pass by this road. So a huge police can be seen here. Fans are gathering here immediately after the news is out that Allu Arjun has been arrested. On the other hand, even other personalities like his brother Allu Suresh, they are arriving here at the police station. On the other hand, even one of the renowned producer Dil Raju has also arrived. So we'll have to wait and see how things will turn up. But yes, for now we have received the confirmation from the top police sources that he will be, after questioning, after completing the procedure, he will be taken to the local hospital, and from there he will be taken to the local concerned court, and he will be produced there. And because culpable homicide section has been booked against him, grievous intentional hurt section has been booked against him, 105, 118, both of these sections have been booked against him, and also other management persons. So both of these sections, actually assault 118, section 118, he's cognizable, he's non-cognizable and is bailable. But also when it comes to culpable homicide, it is cognizable and non-bailable. So he will be sent, is what we are saying. So right now we can clearly see here, we are at the police station. If police are gathering here, and we are seeing the movement. Any time he might be shifted to local hospital is what we are learning. But yes, what will happen, what will turn, we have to wait and see. But yes, we are seeing the movement here at the police station.
Okay, all right. So Amit, we'll come back to you in just a moment. You mentioned culpable